Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shazwan bin Mashuki. Metric number 2119861. So for the group project CSCI3301 Section 3, Computer Architecture and Assembly Language, we are choosing topic School Run Project, Drop Off and Pick Up. So I am from group School2U and this is our members. First one is Haikal Akif bin Syari. Second, Fikri bin Hishamuddin. Third, Muhammad Dani Imran bin Nur Azam. And me, Muhammad Shazrul bin Bashuki. So for the task distribution, there are six. First one is general coding. There is there are data declaration, function organization with labels and comments. For the general coding, all of us did it together. But for the function, there are four functions. We divide by four because we are four members. So in the function, there are allocate registers, arithmetic and logical operations, syscall service, and comments. So for the function one, incoming vehicle detection sensor was did by Daniel Imran. For the function two, vehicles recognition camera sensor was did by Haika Akif. For the function three, vehicles height sensor, Shazwan, me, and last function drop off and pick up was did by Fikri. And for the last one, testing and debugging, we did it together. So for this video task distribution, there are three slide, flowchart, and compile video. For the slide, I did this slide, and for the flowchart, Daniel Imran did it. And for the compile video and editing video was Fikri and Haikal. So that's all from me. I will pass for the next person to make presentation about flowchart, which for Daniel Imran. All right, that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Deni Imran and I'm going to present on the flowchart for our school run program. So firstly, the system will start and print the welcome message and it will notify whenever there's a vehicle arrive. Then the system will request input for the vehicle plate number and then proceed to check it, and if the vehicle plate number is not registered, it will print the message for unregistered plate number and system will terminate. And if the plate number is indeed registered, system will prompt for the vehicle height. Then the system will check either the vehicle is more than 210 centimeter. It will ask them to move to van or bus parking spot, while if it less than 210 centimeter, they will be asked to park in car or motorcycle parking spot. Then it will ask the purpose of the incoming vehicle, whether they want to drop off or pick up the student. So let's say if they want to pick up the system, if they want to pick up the system will verify the person and check whether they are registered or not. And if they are pick up is completed and terminate, and the system will be terminated. And if the person is unverified, the system will print message for unregistered person and terminate itself. So for drop-off system, it's quite simple. It will ask the student name and then print the student welcome message. For example, welcome Daniel to school, and then terminate itself. So that's it for our flowchart.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haikal Syari. My metric number is 2118451 and I'm gonna present about our sensors and actuators for our group project. So here is the sensors that we use in our system. So the first one is the motion sensor, which is it will detect the presence or the arrival of the vehicles and prompt a message that telling the admin that a vehicle had arrived at the school or park section. And then we have our second motion sensor, which is camera sensor. It's gonna recognize the plate number of the vehicles, and then it will check either is a registered plate number from our database. And the last sensor is the height sensor, which is it detect the height of the vehicle and differentiate whether it is a bus, a van, a car, or a motorcycle, and then it will separate the vehicle into a different park section. Next is the actuator. So the first one is the switch. It will trigger the system to start after detecting incoming vehicle. So it's gonna run our system when it detect a vehicle incoming. Then we have a notice board. It will display a message and from any notifications when the camera detect a registered car or person. It can trigger the notice board to display a message. Last but not least is the LED screen, which is it enabling admin to the monitor of the system and the database for the registered and non-registered vehicles. Then next, we pass for our next presenter, which is Fikri, for the demo of our apps. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Fikri bin Syamuddin, metric number 212011. So right now I'm going to present or demo about our group project. Alright, so this is our main source file, which is school2u.asm. Okay, so let me demo you. Okay, let me compile and run. Okay, alright. So our program will display welcome to IIUM school, and a vehicle has been detected, and now it asks me to enter my plate number. Okay, so let me try with JPT 4987. Oh, okay, so it says here that this plate number is not registered and please leave this area. Alright, now let's see our registered plate number. Okay, so it says here PSY 1001. Okay, let me try. Alright, PSY 1001. Okay, so now it says that this plate number is registered and please proceed to the next station, where the next station it asks me for the height of the vehicle. Okay, so let me enter my height. Okay, 130. Okay, so and then it will display please go to the car or motorcycle park section, and now it asks me if I want to drop off or pick up student. So let's say I want to drop my child. Okay, and now it asks me for the student for attending for attended purposes. Okay, so let me enter Ali. Okay, and now it will display welcome to school Ali. Okay, and then and then let's try with pickup. Okay, okay, PSY 1001. Let me try with maybe 250, and it will display that please go to the van or bus park section. Okay, let's say I want to pick up my student, and now it will ask me for the name for verification purposes. Let's say I enter my friend's name, maybe Ali. Okay, oh, so it seems like that Ali is not the students or students' parents or relatives. Now let's try with the registered, which is, as you can see here, that the registered is Ame. Okay, let me try with Ame. Okay, PSY 1001, maybe 250. Okay, pick up. Okay, Ame. Okay, okay, now it will display thank you and have a safe journey. Okay, so I guess that's all from me. Thank you.